Whirlpool Refrigerator Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Whirlpool refrigerators such as the Whirlpool Refrigerator Freezer or the Whirlpool Gold Refrigerator, along with all other Whirlpool models. Is your refrigerator not cold enough? The refrigerator water dispenser maybe not working, the ice maker's not working, the refrigerator's not defrosting, the refrigerator is noisy or loud, or you're having refrigerator defrost drain problems. Maybe the refrigerator is leaking water. We can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.